I learn just, as if I'm still 20-something, trying to learn my craft, sitting down and coding. I still push myself as somebody that's trying to constantly learn. What am I learning about this job? What can I learn about being better at this? What is the thing that's happening now that is kind of an epiphany for me? One of those things that's been most appealing to me is try and find and serve those that have been kind of left behind a bit. The B2B, heavy industry, distribution, manufacturing. There's a lot of companies there that they just aren't at the level that they can afford a dramatically robust solution, but they are so far behind that they just need help getting to a modern platform, something that they can count on to help them start innovating and catching up to where they need to be. And that's where I think we shine. We do a great job of knowing their business, learning their business, spending time with them to shape the right strategy, and then tactically executing on that strategy reliably. These innovations aren't going to slow down. In fact, they're likely to come faster and be more disruptive than they have been in the past. We talk a lot about digital transformation as if it was this sort of point in time, but it's not a condition that's changing. It's still about digital transformation. It's just they're going to come in these large cycles, these large waves as we hit some big inflection point. The entire economy is going to need to consider the disruption that technology innovation will bring. There's no e-commerce solution we can't build. I think we can help a lot of companies doing that.